everyone, welcome. Today we are going to drop a coil duck. We start by making the eyes. We make a slightly stretched circle and another circle inside. Now we make a smaller one with another circle inside. We make the shape of the head and now the hat. So very good. And now we draw the beak. So big. And now we continue through the body. If you are liking the video, you can subscribe and like. We finish the body. And now we make the legs. We draw the left leg and now the right leg. And all that remains is to color the drawing. See you in the next video. See you later.
Do you know the Muffin Man?